I plan to add about a dozen more components from the Cody House library, and keeping them organized is going to be important. But inside my components directory, I need a better way to organize them. Create a new directory called global, and this is where I'm going to keep my navigation and footer. Create another directory called block, and this is where I'm going to keep my hero and other large components. Lastly, create a directory called component, and this is where I'll keep smaller components typically used within blocks. Finally, I want to use a naming convention that'll scale a little better over time. Rename the hero component to b-hero-1, and let me explain this. B represents the component type, followed by the name, and then version. And this is helpful if you think about having multiple hero blocks separated from components and globals. After updating all of your components, make sure you update each component name, every reference to that component, finally, any imports of the component across your Nuxt project. Now we have a scalable system for organizing components. In the next video, we'll create a hero component.